Do you feel difficult to stay focused when preparing for your PTE exam? You're not alone. Many students feel confusion and lack of direction during their study. And that's why we have created a new series, PTE in Minutes with PTE Magic. 30-day challenge to help you crack 65 plus in speaking and reading. As part of this challenge, today's video is all about how to speak naturally in PTE repeat sentence even when you're nervous. In the past, I was just like many other students, having trouble remembering sentences in PTE repeat sentence task. It's really easy to forget what you just heard, but don't worry, in this video I will show you some straightforward strategies to help you make this task easier and more manageable. Let's get started. Many PTE beginners believe that they need to memorize every sentence perfectly, but that's actually not true. What really matters is focusing not only on memory, but also on fluency. You might be asking, how can I improve those? Let me show you some simple exercises that will make this process much easier. This technique is all about breaking the sentence into smaller chunks, more manageable parts, so that you're not overloading your brain all at once. Alright, here's an example. Let's say the sentence is, the government has implemented a new policy to reduce pollution. Now, instead of trying to remember the whole thing right away, you can break it into smaller chunks. The government has implemented a new policy to reduce pollution. Feels easier, right? Now try to repeat each chunk one at a time. This method works especially well if longer sentences make you feel panic. By focusing on smaller sections, you can stay calm and process the whole sentence more effectively. For those of you worried about repeating every single word perfectly, here's some good news for you. Your score will not drop if you miss small words like or the. What's most important is maintaining a natural flow and capturing at least 50% main idea of the sentence. So now you know how to make PTE repeat sentence easier. Let's take it one step further. The big question is, how do you stay consistent and build fluency every single day? This is where practice habits make all the difference. Here's a simple but powerful technique. Spend 5 to 10 minutes a day talking to yourself and recording it. Start with casual sentences about your day, like I'm making coffee, I'm heading to the gym, and then pick a topic, then talk about it while recording it. At first, it might be a bit awkward to listen to your recordings, but trust me, it's one of the best ways to improve. When listening to your recordings again, you will notice pacing, pronunciation, fluency, and you will see progress very quickly. Remember, the goal is not to be perfect. It's about practicing consistently and make English a natural part of your daily life. Take that practice to the next level by using tools like PTE Magic platform, where you can practice tasks like repeat sentence and receive instant feedback, as well as track your progress. By combining daily self-talk with technology, you will build not only confidence but also fluency while making your practice smarter, not harder. At the end of the day, fluency is about creating habits that work for you. Whether it's speaking out loud or using tools, the key is consistency. And now you've got this, just take one step at a time. Let's quickly recap the key points. First, break the sentence into smaller chunks so that it's easier to remember and repeat. Fluency and capturing the main idea matter more than repeating every single word perfectly. For daily practice, talk to yourself, record your voice, and use tools like PTE Magic platform to track your progress. Consistency is key. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement. You can do this. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, Comment below if you have any questions, and please subscribe so that you don't miss our 30-day challenge to crack PTE 65 Plus in reading and speaking. And also stay tuned for our upcoming video, how to handle tricky vocabulary in PTE reading. See you in our next video.